And once more, we made it on very narrow roads indeed to reach the village of Gweek on the Helford River. As usual, prior to Christmas, when traditionally each village makes its own light installations for the outside surroundings. After this Christian tradition and culture, we make a coldish jump from culture, only some 100 yards up the creek, to tamed nature, where we are on the way to the rescued seals. It's hilly, cold and blustery alongside as we study the rescue program of the seal sanctuary.
Very wary of those two. We always go up to the water to make sure that it's comfortable there.
And here, the animal care staff prepare something very special in the blue box for the spectators. The Christmas menu for the seals. Let's watch how they get on with it.